In today's video we are putting the GMKtec AI Mini PC Ultra 9285H against the ASUS PB64 Core Ultra 5 to see which mini computer actually deserves your money. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these mini PCs, make sure to check the link in the description below. Look, the GMKtec comes roaring out of the gate with that insane 5.4 GHz turbo on its Core Ultra 9285H. While the ASUS PB64 sits back at a modest 3.4 GHz on its Ultra 5 235. So if you are editing video or running AI models, that extra clock speed on the GMKtec is a game changer, but honestly the ASUS runs cooler and quieter for basic office tasks. Then we have memory, where the GMKtec packs a massive 64 GB of DDR5 RAM compared to the ASUS offering only 16 GB. And storage-wise, the GMKtec gives you a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD plus 3 M.2 expansion slots that can take up to 12 TB total, whereas the ASUS just has a single 512 GB drive with no room to grow. So power users will feel that limitation fast. On connectivity, the GMKtec includes an Oculink port which delivers PCIe X4 bandwidth for external graphics cards, giving you desktop-level gaming performance when docked, while the ASUS completely skips Oculink and forces you to rely on its integrated Intel graphics that frankly cannot handle modern games well. Though the ASUS does have newer Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 versus the GMKtec's Wi-Fi 6 and BT 5.2, so network speeds go to ASUS but raw processing power stays with GMKtec. Display output is another huge difference because the GMKtec drives Quad 8K screens at 60Hz through HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, and USB-C, perfect for traders or video editors managing multiple timelines. But the ASUS tops out at 4K displays, which is still decent for spreadsheets and email but not for high-resolution creative work. The GMKtec's Intel Arc 140T GPU with 8 cores and AV1 encoding absolutely crushes the ASUS integrated graphics for video rendering and streaming, yet the ASUS fights back with hardware TPM 2.0, toolless chassis access for easy upgrades, and a Visa mount included, which makes deployment in business environments much cleaner. Honestly, both machines have strengths depending on what you do, but if you are editing video, gaming, running AI workloads, or just want room to expand over the next few years, the GMKtec EVO-T1 is the clear winner here because that Oculink port alone changes everything for external GPUs, and the 64 GB RAM means you won't hit memory bottlenecks anytime soon. The ASUS PB64 is a rock-solid business PC for reception desks, digital signage, or light office work where silence and security matter more than raw speed, but for creators and gamers the GMKtec delivers way more value. That link in the description has the best price available right now, so click it before the deal changes and grab the GMKtec if you want performance that actually keeps up with you.